Most people hear about home delivery and assume it's all the same, but that's exactly where they get it wrong. Not all delivery services work the same way, and some are built for convenience at a completely different level. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart InHome delivery in 2026 is not just delivery to your door, it is delivery inside your home, and that changes everything. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how Walmart InHome delivery works, what it costs, how safe it is, and whether it is actually worth using compared to regular delivery or pickup. Let's start simple. Walmart InHome delivery is a service where a trained delivery associate brings your groceries or items directly into your home. That means not just dropping bags at your doorstep, but placing them inside your kitchen, garage, or designated area. Now here's where it gets interesting. This service uses smart entry access systems, so you are not required to be home at the exact delivery time. Step 1 is eligibility. You need to check if your address supports in-home delivery. It is not available everywhere, so location matters a lot. Step 2 is setup. You connect a smart access method like a compatible smart lock or garage entry system. This allows verified delivery associates to enter safely and place your items. But here's the problem most people worry about. They imagine strangers walking into their home without control. In reality, the system is designed with security layers, access logs, and limited entry permissions. Step 3 is placing your order. You shop normally through the Walmart app or website, select InHome delivery at checkout, and choose your preferred delivery window. Now, here is a simple example. Imagine Alex is working late. He orders groceries in the morning. While he is at work, the delivery associate places his groceries directly in his kitchen, and he gets a notification once everything is done. Step 4 is tracking and notifications. You receive real-time updates, so you know exactly when your order is arriving and when it is placed inside your home. Now let's talk about cost. In-home delivery usually comes as a subscription service or add-on fee depending on your location and plan. It is more expensive than standard delivery, but it saves time and effort. Here is another important detail most people miss. This service is designed for convenience, not impulse ordering. It makes more sense for busy households, families, or people who order groceries regularly. So is it worth it? It depends on your lifestyle. If you value time, convenience, and secure unattended delivery, it can be a strong upgrade. If you only order occasionally, standard delivery might be enough. So to wrap it up, Walmart InHome delivery in 2026 comes down to 5 things. Eligibility, smart access setup, ordering process, security system, and cost versus convenience. If you remember one thing, it is this. You are not just paying for delivery, you are paying for time saved and convenience inside your home. If this helped you understand it clearly, like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.